Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to review Horner's indoor lighting. My name's Nate Schnelker and I've been with Horner for almost 2 years now. Our second presenter is Murray Seltzer. He's been with Horner for about a little over a year now and he handles the southern half of the country. Horner Lighting is part of Horner APG, which is our advanced products group. This includes Horner Automation, Horner Lighting, and Horner Solutions Group. Horner APG was established in 1985, and Horner Lighting has been a part of that group for, it'll actually be 10 years now. Before we get into some of the specifics of our light fixtures, I'd like to talk about some of the added services that Horner offers. We offer a return on investment that is tailored to each customer. This is beneficial when our customer is updating to LED from fluorescent or metal halide. Knowing that LEDs are more efficient, which a lot of people do, that's one thing, but actually seeing it on paper can create a sense of urgency to upgrade. Custom layouts. We have the ability to create custom layouts in Photometrics. We offer a LED replacement guide if updating to LED. We have a chart you can use to help select the right replacement fixture. We offer a wide variety of products. We have indoor, outdoor, hazardous lighting, as well as sports lighting. We're shipping products today. A lot of industries are experiencing longer lead times right now, especially if they're coming from overseas. We keep stock on hand. We ship products daily, so we have shorter lead times. Some of our online tools, we have pre-recorded product videos. These will be videos of each fixture highlighting some of their features. We have installation instructions, and we also have access to our specification sheets, and these are for all of our products. So this next slide, here's an example of an ROI solely based off of energy savings. This is from a large warehouse we quoted recently. Now, a few things are needed for this calculation. We're going to need to know the existing fixtures, the hours of operation, and replacement fixtures that are going to be used. Below, this is a facility that it operates 12 hours a day, 5 days a week. We changed out 117 fluorescent fixtures with LED fixtures. The fluorescent fixture was 130 watts and the replacement LED was 55 watts. So per year, as you can see, just in energy savings went from $5,159 to $2,324. So that's a savings of over $28,000 when you calculate it over a 10-year span. And on top of that, this doesn't even include the labor savings they'll have from repairing those current fixtures. If they got to hire somebody to come out, replace it, rent a lift. This is a tool that we offer. In addition to energy savings, we can also help with rebates. So here in Indianapolis, we work with our local power company and provide incentives for those who qualify. You can see here, these are incentives solely for Indianapolis, but I've noticed that other power and light companies offer pretty much similar incentives. If you look down this list, you can see a 2x4 flat panel. So let's say you're switching out a fluorescent 2x4 and then you're putting in an LED flat panel. They'll give you up to $40 per fixture. Now, if you're replacing outdoor wall packs on the side of a building, you can get up to $230 per fixture. And then in a warehouse, if you have a 400 watt metal halide fixture, and you replace it with an LED, you're eligible for up to $400. So when it comes down to it, a lot of these rebates can almost pay for the fixture themselves. And again, these amounts are for Indianapolis only, but depending on the area, it's going to be something similar to this. So we offer rebates here, and I'm always more than happy to look into it wherever the customer is. So this next slide, here's an example of a photometric layout we did for a grocery store parking lot and outdoor lighting. They already had existing poles there, but they needed new lighting. So we took all the dimension, the height of the poles. We selected the right fixtures to use, and we met the foot candle requirements that they needed. So an example of just an outdoor photometric layout that we can provide. This next slide is another simulation for an indoor application. Same idea. We would require details and dimensions and any lighting requirements if needed. This is something we can put together, in no time. We can have it returned back in the same day. Again, this is just another added value that Horner offers. So we have a YouTube channel along with Horner Automation. They also have a YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel, you can find this by visiting our website. They also include product demonstrations, technical data, installation videos, as well as product updates. This next slide, Horner Innovation. So we go into our remote Phosphor. So Horner Lighting is heavily involved in the auto manufacturing industry, utilizing our inspection lighting technology to detect any defects. This also applies to any machine vision applications. So we use a technology called remote Phosphor. Unlike a traditional LED fixture where the phosphor is placed on each individual diode, we remove that phosphor and put it on the lens. So this creates a longer life because the phosphor is away from the heat source. And it also creates a smooth, even light output with no pixelization. Now we're going to talk about some of our other indoor lighting products. Here's a preview of our indoor lighting products. This includes our flat panels, task lighting, a wide range of high bays that include both linear and circular models. First fixture we're going to talk about is our tunable flat panel. So this is our newest and greatest flat panel. This fixture is tunable, meaning you can select the wattage as well as the color temperature. Our 2x4 is selectable up to 50 watts and has a color temp of up to 5000 K. This comes in a 1x4, 2x2, and a 2x4. For mounting, this can be recessed in a grid ceiling, or it can be surface mounted if you have a drywall ceiling. It also has a battery backup option if there's an emergency fixture that is required. We can meet that for you. So this next slide, this is just showing our flat panel in an application. This is actually a dentist office. I like showing this slide because, for one, it shows two different mounting options. The one on the left is a hard ceiling using our drywall kit, which it hangs down a few inches. And then the one on the right shows how the selectable options are utilized. The hallway is set at a lower wattage and color temperature when compared to the office area. And you can see there, it's using a grid ceiling, so it's recessed. This next fixture is our circular high bay. This is our newest high bay. It's great for any type of manufacturing, warehouses, and indoor sports facilities. We offer this in 5 different sizes, ranging from 120 watts all the way up to 480 watts. So that's a lumen range of 21,000 to 72,000. We also have different reflectors that are available, as well as different mounting options. A great feature about this product is our step-level dimming option. By using we have a remote that you can use where you're able to customize your motion sensor options, which includes time delay and your output levels as well. Very popular high bay. We've had this for maybe close to a year now, but it's one of our big sellers. Now this next slide, these are 2 photos using that same high bay fixture. The one on the left is a warehouse facility where they upgraded from fluorescent lighting. They were able to increase the light output while using less than half the wattage. Now this is actually a job where we applied rebates, and the incentive amount practically paid for the fixture itself. So as you can see, if you look on the ground, there's much more light where we replaced with LED compared to the existing fluorescents that are still there. Now the picture on the right, this is a high school gym that was upgraded from fluorescents. They were very pleased with the performance of the fixture and the high color temperature and lumens that it put out. So moving forward, I'll turn it over to Murray and he'll kind of review the rest of the fixtures. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Murray. I'll take over and walk through some of the other products that we offer. The stainless steel task light that we're showing here is a phenomenal product. I really like it a lot for a number of reasons. It is an IP69K rated product, which means it can be flushed with water, high pressure hose down, washed down, any environment, food environment or area where somebody needs to be able to wash the thing off. This can be used for that application. We offer the product in 2 different sizes. It comes in a 2-foot unit that is 20 watts and generates over 2,600 lumens. Comes in only 120/277 voltage. And then the 4-foot, which is 36 watts, is over 4,800 lumens And the nice thing about this is it's a stainless steel housing, polycarbonate lens with a very nice diffused lens. So it really spreads the light out nicely. And it is NSF certified. It's a DLC and UL rated product and comes with a cable or surface mount kit is included with the fixture. This is just an example of the stainless steel task light in use. This is actually at a automotive plant in Indiana. I guess they had a situation one time where the sprinklers had gone off and this area got wet, so they wanted a nice waterproof fixture in this area, and so that's what they went with here. So our next product is similar. We call it a task light, but it's a very versatile product used for a number of different applications. It is a 2-lens product, and as you can see from the end view there, the fixture, actually the lenses are canted at about a 30 to 40 degree angle. So this product really spreads the light out in a very nice manner at just about any hang height. And so we use this for all different types of applications. I've seen it used in storage, in aisleways, in low bay warehouses at 10 to 12 foot. Does a really nice job with lighting up any area. And we offer it in 2 different sizes as well. It comes in the 2-foot fixture, which is a 30 watt. And this thing really puts out the light. So it's 4,400 plus lumens on the 2-foot. And on the 4-foot, 60 watts and over 8,800 lumens. And we also offer this with a on-off sensor. So it can be paired with just a on-off motion sensor. It is designed to be pendant, service, or cable mount and comes with the cord. Does a fantastic job. Our next product is our white linear, which has been one of our bread and butter products. I call it our powerhouse fixture, and the reason why I call it a powerhouse is because it can generate a ton of light, used again for many different applications. And the product is offered from a single bar. We make it in 2 bars, in 3 bars, 4 bars, and 6 bars, going up to over 77,000 lumens. So it can be used for not just task lighting in various areas over machinery and other applications, but in high, tall ceiling applications, 100, 110 foot in the air. This thing will get light down to the ground like nothing that you've seen out there. We offer it from 60 watts all the way up to 480 watts. And it's available in multiple wattages, so universal voltage from 120, 277 to 480 volt. And it has a very, very long lifetime. This thing is rated at 62,000 hours at an L90 rating, which extends out to a very long life, unlike anything else on the market. It's not only offered in a 4-foot, but also in an 8-foot option in various sizes. And we have a number of different mounting options that this thing can be paired with, along with various sensors that can go with the product. So not just on off, but a step dim sensor that will step it down for a certain period of time to a certain percentage of light. And then if there's no motion after a certain period of time, it will actually shut it off. So that's our white linear product that we've been making for a long time. It's made right here in Indianapolis. We actually populate the boards with the LEDs and put the thing completely together right in Indianapolis. We offer another version of that product in the white linear in a high heat version, and this version goes up to 65 degrees C. So if you got any warehouses or any manufacturing facilities where it's getting very warm, this thing goes up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. It's offered from 160 watts to 480 watts and from 25,000 lumens to over 76,000 lumens. And we make this one in a 2-bar, 4-bar, or 6-bar with the same options of mounting and sensors as needed. So great product, again, anywhere where you've got warm or high heat areas that we can put this product in and get good light to the ground. So the next product up this afternoon, another fabulous fixture. Again, really like this one a lot as well. It's a beautiful fixture. So any place for commercial applications where you want to have something that's a little more decorative, I call this kind of a mid-range high bay product. Our Luxor series is a full stainless steel body product. It's a very stout product. It's available in 1, 2, or 3 lenses, and it goes from 60 watts to 180 watts. And so this thing is appropriate for any automotive interior showroom applications where they really want to light it up. It does an excellent job. It's good in warehouses. So I think this thing is good up to about 40-foot mounting heights. It goes up to 180 watts and a little over 31,000 lumens. Temperature range on this product goes from minus 40 degrees to 50 degrees C. And another excellent advantage of the product is that it's got integrated 6 kV surge suppression. It's offered with the glare reducing optical lenses that come either in 40 degree, 70 degree, and our standard 120 degree lens. So it does a really nice job. Again, the decorative design. And the thing is a tank. It's really got substantial L70 rating going out to 215,000 hours, which is just forever in terms of the rating. It's got a number of different cable mounting options. And then we offer a number of different sensors with it, a motion sensor, so it can be on off. Again, step dimming motion sensor coupled with daylight harvesting. So if you had an area where you had good ambient light coming in, you can combine it with daylight harvesting so that the fixture dims down or turns off as the light from the outside goes up and down. So this is just a before and after picture using the Luxor fixture, a local gymnasium. So you can see before picture how it wasn't lit up very well there. And then the after picture with the Luxor in there showing that it's really nice and lit up very bright and refreshed after the installation of the Luxor series fixture. Two of the other products that we offer, and we'll be talking about these more in the future, but the one on the left is our remote Phosphor Linear. We call it the LRP, Linear Remote Phosphor product. Is similar in nature to the white linear that I talked about a few minutes ago. Again, it's a fixture that can be used for numerous types of applications. It comes in different bar sizes, so 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, and 6 bar. But the beautiful thing about this is it utilizes our technology, the remote phosphor technology that we're a leader in, and it gives off very smooth, even diffused light. And so we use this product anywhere where visual acuity is of a concern or is needed for inspection. It could be used in paint inspection. It could be used in manufacturing, but there's no glare whatsoever from this product, no pixelization. And again, it's got a very strong L90 rating at 96,000 hours. And we can design this fixture from 8,000 lumens up to over 50,000 lumens. Again, we can use this in high bay, low bay, task lighting applications. It's used for all different types of automotive paint inspection. You name an automotive manufacturer, and we have this product in there being used on a regular basis because it shows color and gives a great visual acuity. And we offer it up. Standard product is an 80 CRI, and we offer it in a 94 plus CRI where needed. And the next product on the right side is our new RGBW inspection lighting that we'll be talking more about in the future. But it can be used for any number of different applications, anywhere where somebody wants a color mixing of light. So sometimes you have some mixed use facilities. People want to light up commercial application with a color lighting. It can be used for high bay, mid bay lighting, and it's also used for industrial inspection. So it's very high output color mixing product with wide flood distribution and one of our Horner industrial controls that's easy to use and can be placed in any harsh environment. So with that, I want to say thank you for your time today. We enjoyed having you. and look forward to talking to you further about our Horner lighting products.